In this video, we will look at the merge two sorted lists problem and plan out an algorithm to solve it. The question tells us that we are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. We are asked to merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists, and we are to return the head of the merged linked list. To solve this question, I am thinking of having two pointers, one that goes through each list and checks which element is lower and then adds it to the list. Once one of the pointers is null, we will iterate over the rest of the elements in the other list and add them to our result list, of which we will return the head. In this video, we will look at the remove linked list elements problem and come up with an algorithm that we can use to solve it. The question reads, given the head of a linked list and an integer val, remove all the nodes of the linked list that have node.val equal to value and return the new head. Basically, we are going to iterate over each element in the list, and if it has the val passed into the function, we will set the next value of the node before it to its next element, effectively removing it from the list. In this video, we will look at the reverse linked list elements problem and plan out an algorithm to solve it. The question asks, given the head of a linked list and an integer val, remove all the nodes of the linked list that have node.val equal to val, and return the new head. We'll need to move through the list and set the next value of the node we are currently on to the previous node. Then, once we've reached the end of the linked list, we can return the previous node.